How to delete Snapchat call history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to settings. In here, simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find Clear Conversation. Then click on Clear Conversation. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Simply click on Confirm. After you confirm, everything will be deleted. This is how to delete Snapchat call history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.